3, 2, 1. What's up out there, y'all? 3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? YouTube, drivers, what's going on? 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? YouTube, everybody out there, how y'all doing? Looks like I got the red light right there. See that? That means I cannot pull away from the dock until they finish loading me. So, until they finish loading me, I am still here at the shipper. Because I'm taking this load right here down to Atlanta, Georgia. It's been a minute since I've been down to Atlanta, so I'm a little bit glad to go down there, I guess. Waiting on my load right here. I decided to update my Truckers app video. I made that last year, and I think I made it, for what it's worth, I think I made it too long. I went back on it and it's like 30 minutes, and I think I only covered like a lot of apps that I use out here. So this video right here is going to be a little bit shorter and straight to the point. So I'm going to give you the top 5 apps that I use personally while I'm out here on the road that I think you guys should have if you don't already have it. And this goes to you new drivers as well, your new jack drivers, because that's what I call this out here. New jacks. Wonder why I call ourselves new jacks is because back in the day, the old school drivers don't have what we have today. They didn't have phones. They didn't have GPSs. They didn't have, well, they had computers, but they didn't have Wi-Fi. You know, they literally had to go and jack in somewhere to get on the internet. But they didn't have internet, but we do, you know, us new jack drivers do. So a lot of apps that was made since then help us in our day-to-day travel. So come with me as I count down the apps that I use that I think you guys should have on this video. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the views. And if you like the video, subscribe to me, because I make videos all the time. Now, I may not upload them all the time, but I make them all the time. So follow me, guys. Still got the red light. Still blinking. What's up, guys? Well, I am still here at the shipper waiting to get loaded. Actually, I've been here, now that I think about it, I've been here for a while. Let me see, I got here What time is it? 2:56. Got here at about 1. Yeah, it's been a while, but it hasn't haven't been too long that my detention pay started to kick in, so I gotta wait about another hour for that. But while I'm waiting, let me get my phone right here and set everything up for this app video that I'm about to do.
A few moments later.
When I started truck driving, I got a lot of advice from a lot of people about what I need and what I don't need while I'm out on these interstates. And you know, I took their advice, I ran with it. The very first app, which is, where is it? Hold on for a minute.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm back. I had to get my trusty notebook because I had to write everything down because it's so much that I want to go over. But I'm not going to make this video too long. At least not long on my last video. It was about like 30 minutes. You know. But I'm going to get straight to the point. I'm not even going to, like, you know, go over the pros and cons of the apps that I'm using. Just download it and see for yourself. This is just my top 5. The top 5 apps that I use along with the apps that I have. And, you know, just for you new jack drivers that's coming out here, I think you guys should, you know, download the same apps. Alright, so first on the list, I want to start backwards. So, number 5. Number 5 is Trucker's Path. Wonder why I put Trucker's Path as my number 5 app? Because that was the first app that everybody told me to download. Everybody says, hey, if you don't have Trucker's Path, you need to get it. And in the beginning, it was great. I mean, Trucker's Path does have everything. Way stations, rest areas, Walmarts, TAs, Loves, truck stops, you name it. And it came in handy when I first started out, because my GPS, my McNally GPS, it has a set number of truck stops that's in there, but being that this is live, it's updated all the time. So number 5, Trucker's Path. Number 4 on the list, and this is for you poker players out there. I'm a poker player. Every time I get a chance to hit a casino, I definitely hit up the poker room and spend a few hours in there playing poker. This app is for you guys. It's twofold now. Twofold is coming up. Bravo Poker Live. Now this app right here pretty much brings up all of the poker rooms that's in the area. Not necessarily casinos, but it brings up the casinos and the poker rooms that's in the area. It's a list of poker rooms and casinos that's all in the area. Now, wonder why I make this my number 4 app. Not only that, casinos, I love casinos, but it's truck parking. All you got to do is look at the app and say, hey, let's take Horseshoe, Indiana, for example. They got 4 games going. It brings up the address that you can hit, and it automatically opens up Google Maps, so you can, you know, you can navigate to where the place is at. Have semi-truck parking. 9 times out of 10 they do. So Bravo Poker app, good app to have if you're a poker player and you need to find truck parking. Along with that is, we'll bring it up, PokerAtlas. Now they had to update this app. In the beginning, this app was sloppy, but now they want you to join in with your Facebook, or, you know, make yourself a password. This is another app that you can use. That now, as you can see on my phone, I got one screen dedicated to all of my truck apps, so that I don't have to, you know, go all over or put it in one of these little boxes. No, I'm sorry. Number 3, iHeartRadio, right here. iHeartRadio is for you guys that's starting out, and the only thing you got is the preview on your satellite. Oh, there it is, green light. It's time to go. So give me a minute while I go and get my paperwork and get ready to go on the road, and I'll finish up my app, my top 5 apps, in a minute. All right, y'all. Seatbelt on. Got my paperwork right here, ready to go. They got me at 44,000 pounds. So you know I got to get this scale. And by the way, since I got to go scale this so I can have the weight, that brings me to my number 3 app, by the way. Go figure. Number 2. Yeah, because, yeah, number 2. That's my number 2 app, because my number 3 was iHeartRadio. So my number 2 app is Weigh My Truck. It's the cat scale app. As soon as I get to it, I will demonstrate how it works. This cat scale. Now I can let you know how my number 2 app works. So basically, you pull up on the cat scale, as I just did, and you take out your phone, handy phone right here, and I go to my Weigh My Truck app right here, and basically how this app works is when you pull up onto the scale, it uses the GPS location on the app to find out where you at. So right now I am at the Flying J, cat scale number 1457, right there at the top, and there it is, 1457. So usually what you would do before you got this app, you would just hit the call button. But you don't even have to do all of that. All you got to do is just hit accept right there, and basically what it's doing with your phone is connecting via Wi-Fi, satellite, or internet. It's connecting with their bots inside, and it brings up the information you need to put in. So US XPRESS, my tractor number. I gotta change. All you gotta do is change the trailer number. Type in the trailer number, hit next, all kinds of freight. Down at the bottom, you just hit accept. And basically what it's doing now, it is talking to the bots on the inside. It brings up your fee, which is $11. Accept. Now it's communication. Now it's communicating with the bots inside the Flying J to get your weight. While it's doing that, I can tell you that when you set up your Weigh My Truck app, when you set up your Weigh My Truck app, you can put, you know, the way you can put the payment in is by credit card. You can use PayPal or any credit card that you want to bring it in. Bam, there it is. It brought up my weight. Now, I am a little overweight on my drive, so of course I gotta push it forward to scale right. But basically that's it. Once you get it, you hit done, and that's how you do that right there. You come on inside, you can grab your tickets right here. So let's go over it right quick. So the first, let me see, I'm going over it right now. Let's see if it's on point. Alright, so the first one was 35 on the drives, 31 on the axle, 11 on the steers. I'm heavy on my drive, so that means I took about 1,000. I took about 15 off my axle. So let's see what it looks like now. Alright, here's the wee-way. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Can't get no better than that, man. 11 on my steers, 33 on the drives, and 33 on the tandems. I had to give me a bottle of milk for that. Anyway, about to go ahead and get up out of here, get on the road for about 3-4 hours. Then after that, I don't know. Just gonna have to drive in the morning. But that's my #2 app, and that's my favorite app also. So I will come back with you guys in a little bit to give you my #1 app that I use, and go over some of the other apps that I have on my phone. Tune in, or stay tuned. Tune in? No. Stay tuned.
Next morning.
Look. Don't I look clean? It's early in the morning and I'm getting up to get this load into Atlanta, Georgia later on today. But I am continuing on with my apps, and I still haven't gotten to #1 yet. Only because I was sidetracked by seeing an accident inside of the TA parking lot. It involved a US XPRESS driver who was, you know, in his cab chilling. This is the truck right here, the white Volvo. I'll show you guys the damage that he did. Here's the damage. Yeah, the guy got him pretty good. Still doing this video, man. Still doing this video. I'm still trying to get it together. But I made it to my destination right here. My delivery appointment time is at 2 o'clock. So believe it or not, I'm here way early. But the warehouse guy says that if everything goes good, I will probably be unloaded early. Told me to take door number 17 right there as soon as that truck moves, which makes it a lot easy to do. whatever I need to do to get into that spot. I'm back. All right, guys. Well, as I said before, I am here at my co-signee, the delivery, and my appointment ain't until 2 o'clock. So I got a few hours on my hands. So they might unload me early though. So I'm very confident that they will unload me early. All right. So with that said, you guys ready for my my #1 app that I use? Well, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. The #1 app that I use on a daily basis is DAT Trucker. Now, I bet you guys going, damn, he took that damn long just to say that. Well, anyway, a lot of things happened between then, when I was initially doing the list, up until now that I got finished with it. So, like I said, DAT Trucker. That's hold on right quick. Give me a second. There it is, DAT Trucker. And the DAT Trucker app is just like Trucker's Path, but I like the layout better on here than I do on Trucker's Path. As you guys can see, it's a lot of areas that you can pretty much pick out and go to. Right now I'm near Atlanta, so you can scroll up. You can see the different icons on here, as well as you can bring up satellite view on it as well. This like Trucker's Path. Trucker's Path you can bring up satellite view too. So, but this app right here, pretty much, you know, it used to be a different app, or it used to be called a different app. It's the Top Truckers app for drivers to find nearby truck stops, travel plazas, diesel prices, truck-friendly hotels, rest stops, service areas, Walmarts, Catskills, and it's also embedded with you can, if you're on our app, you can find loads in the area. Trucker's Path does the same thing. You can sign up for their load finder as well. But with this app right here, I think it has a bit more broad of areas that you can find to shut down at or to go. So that's it. That's my personal top 5 apps that I use on a daily basis. Other apps includes Google Maps, Google Earth, Transflow mobile app right there. I got a whole host of television apps, A&E, all that good stuff. Spectrum. So I got the Spectrum app, and you know, make sure you definitely have all of the truck stop apps. Make sure you have that. It's also the Uber app. Yeah, Uber. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. As always, subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, hit me up, and I'll definitely answer them. I'm also partnering with Amazon. So in the link below, you'll see like some of the some of the stuff that I have that I recently got from Amazon. I got my McNally from Amazon. I got my dash cam from Amazon. I got the BlueParrott headset from Amazon. All some of the links below that can go directly to Amazon, so you can check out the stuff yourself. Just click on the link below, the Amazon link below. It'll take you to Amazon. It'll take you to the page that, you know, might have the McNally or the Vantrue. Now, you don't have to necessarily, you know, buy those products, but if you do buy from Amazon, you can search for anything else that you want to buy from Amazon. So yeah, support the channel, support Amazon and all that good stuff. And I will get back with you guys with another video. Peace.